नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के लिए लाए हैं हम किड्स टीवी।
Assalamualaikum kids. We learn counting. Okay, start with me counting. One watermelon.
One watermelon.
Two flowers.
Two flowers.
One,
Two.
three tomato.
Three tomato.
One, two, three tomato.
Three tomato.
Four duck.
Four duck.
One, two, three, four duck.
Four duck.
Five parrot.
Five parrots.
One, two, three, four, five parrots.
Five parrots.
Six pineapple.
Six pineapple.
One,
Two,
three,
four,
five, six pineapple.
Six pineapple.
Seven butterfly.
Seven butterfly.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven butterfly.
Seven butterfly.
Eight spider.
Eight spider.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight spider.
Eight spider.
Nine strawberry.
Nine strawberry.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine strawberry.
Nine strawberry.
And
Ten
pencils.
pencils.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, ten pencils.
10 pencils.
Please like and subscribe Kids TV. Allah Hafiz.